You're back for another update. Let's take a look at Ethereum over here on the daily time frame. I think this chart is a very important chart to watch because it gives us a little bit of a better hint on the overall health of the altcoin market. What we see over here is we see price making a higher low, okay? But on the RSI on the daily time frame, we're actually right where we are. We're back to the same place we were before ETH rallied by over 155% from October 2023. Okay, so although the price is making a higher low, we have the indicator on the daily time frame at the same level it was before ETH rallied. Okay, that's something to pay attention to. Moreover, when we take a fib from our October 23 high up to our local top in March, we have hit the 61.8% fib on the dot. Taking the fib down here from our November 2022 low, we have hit the 50% fib. Just something to pay attention to. Let's jump to the ETH Bitcoin chart over here. When we take a fib from our December 2020 low on the ETH Bitcoin pair up to our December 2021 high, we have hit the 70.2% fib on the linear scale. Now, the 70.2% fib is usually where the market likes to have a reversal to the upside or to the downside. In this case, we have hit the 702 here, but I think it's more significant that we've hit this 70.2% fib while the price is contracting here within what's called an ending diagonal. Notice how on the daily time frame you have this nice wick over here on the downside to the downside. Whenever you have an elongated wick to the downside on the higher time frames, that signals that there's a lot of buy pressure coming in over here. Okay, so in the short term, Ethereum may gain more traction over Bitcoin, and right now what I'm seeing is you'll have a lot of dominance shifting towards the altcoin market. What we see here is a 3-wave move down for your A wave from our May 2021 high, a 3-wave move up for your B wave, and then a 5-wave move to the downside. Once we hit this 5th wave down here, for the subwaves, the price started to contract and the waves started to overlap. This gives me the signal, or this gives me the idea that we are likely going to see a reversal now out of this bullish descending broadening wedge for alt season. Okay, now we do need one more thing to line up. We need Bitcoin dominance to hit that 60% region before it turns from there and alts can really fire up. But it looks like the Ethereum Bitcoin pair is about to round off and form a bottom over here. As you can see, we've hit this subwave 5 of 5 within our C wave at the 70.2% fib. Okay, so that's something that is very significant. This is also a bullish descending broadening wedge, right? This is a bullish descending broadening wedge. This is what it looks like right over here. You have 3 touch points on either side with 5 waves in total. Okay, so going back to the ETH Bitcoin pair, we have 3 touch points, 1, 2, and 3. And then at the bottom we have 1, 2, and 3. And then looking a little bit closer, we see that elongated wick to the downside here. See lots of buy pressure coming in over here. Monitor this wick and see how price reacts to this region right over here. Okay, monitor this region right over here. Okay, because it is look promising. And right now, going forward, what altcoin bulls would want to see is a move back above the 50% at 0.0477 right over here. Once the Ethereum Bitcoin pair can rally back above this level here at the 50%, then we have a shot at having that breakout against Bitcoin. Okay, so just wanted to show my findings on Ethereum Bitcoin. It is looking promising here for a potential market reversal in regards to the altcoins. Okay, because we have a ending diagonal in which the waves overlap, which usually produce market reversals. This is an example of an ending diagonal. Notice how the waves overlap each other before you tend to see that squeeze. So what I'm seeing here is that this squeeze is becoming is much more likely now, considering this nice bounce off the macro 70.2% fib. We still see this wick going up. We still see this wick over here, right? This wick is still remaining consistent, so we would want to monitor this current daily candle, right? But we potentially have a Ethereum Bitcoin bottom over here, and that would be very bullish for altcoins. So going forward, what altcoin bulls would want to see is a move back above the 50 over here, so we can have a shot at that breakout and the squeeze to the upside. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and definitely click the link in the description below to stay updated with all of your favorite coins and assets. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.